Welcome at forextrading.com. Today is 4th January. Welcome to morning analysis. And right now is almost 3 a.m. Standard Time. It's 3 minutes to market Euro opening. So let's take a look at P contracts, which look like they were accelerating yesterday. So we are under a bullish setup after the breakout. The market accelerate a little bit. It's nothing like a great demand we see some of the time like here. It's more than we see some time during the Christmas time, just before Christmas, and during the New Year's days. So I'm continuing the following trend. The only thing I'm interested in is if it's really a fundamental move. I mean, the buyers are coming in for a few months, maybe a few years period of time, or it is just another Christmas or January rush when we will see a retracement in February. But let's see like it is. So we are talking about continuing uptrend when where no sellers are coming to the market, and the market is taking a little small bracket happen here. The beautiful dome pattern, which the pattern of the dome isn't really something to use if it's happening in this direction. I mean, often we see kind of the dome, we do not really use it even when the base is broken down significantly, because we don't know when the market's gonna come back to the uptrend, and it can happen in any minute. And reasonable to come back to the price behavior going higher and higher in any minute. So let's take a look at currencies. I'll be focused mostly at pound, because the euro already show us we are interested in going long at euro dollar shape, which is the shape dome. We see the markets going, and even when the sellers came into the market, it moved back upside. At dollar it looks a little different. We see the similar dome take over the market. Maybe we'll see about it. So it didn't really that symmetric as at the dollar. By the trend before, we see the price and the equal level. So we have the same strength of buyers. Buyers took over the market for a few seconds. So we'll see if this is when the market was going up, just to came lower again, or some buyers will take over the market. I mean, significant and stay there, not come down again to clean out all the stop losses of traders who came out. So we are not comfortable with going long when the market can really reverse to some last lows. So I'm interested in a situation when the market will go higher and stay there and go higher. So I'm talking about fall through, important continuation. And right now, really, the market can go higher, or it will come a little bit lower and then accelerate. So again, at 30-minute chart, let's take a look at 30-minute chart in dollar. So we are or sideways move when we can accelerate a little bit when it will come through breaking to the downside again, like it happened before. But it is more comfortable situation, which is more probable to go lower and lower, not the thing that happened like a fake before. That's what I'm talking about during the online classes, how to use the profit. Like it happened here, for example. Somebody was coming into the market, and the market really didn't be going lower and lower. And how to make it happen? Well, it is very only this situation, most probably, and we have to really avoid this kind of trading. So what I'm interested in, the most reasonable for me situation at pound would be when it broke down to the downside and breaking the super distance. But for our chart, really, the downtrend is up to for maybe a few moments, maybe some longer. So, that's what I'm interested in. But I'm not saying we can't go long the some opening. I can't really see this happening. At euro dollar, it's different because in a chart we see demand. I mean, buying side buyers are really taking over the markets or sellers. And see, for example, this here, like 15 candles over its wave, or 20 candles, right? So we can compare this with growth where we have 30 candles right here, and it took only a few pips down. So the small candles and very small candles in this regression, no significant selling in the market. So probably at some point buyers will take over the market and make new highs as well. In the euro dollar we might see some more buyers coming in. And even though the decision might be different because the pound, if the pound will be on the downside, it will drive euro dollar to the lower levels, but it will be going if that's what buyers and sellers are showing at the price chart at 4-hour time frame. So most of the time it is reasonable to come into the market, for example, when the dollar is making some action and the pound is also moving in the higher and higher direction. When the downside, it might be driving euro dollar to the lower levels. So that will be pretty much for today. Tomorrow we'll be talking about gold, which might be very interesting because of many reasons. And so thank you very much for listening. I hope you have good trading in our new starting week. And of course I forgot to mention, we have important data coming out today. I'm talking about German unemployment, we are talking about PMI at pound, we are talking about meeting minutes in US later on in the European evening time. So let's take a look at those data during the day. Please remember not to enter any position just before those news released. So thank you very much. That will be it for now, and I hope you have a nice, interesting week of trading. Thank you.